YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with a what's in the box on an A&A Quik water leveler. Stay tuned, we're going to dive in and show you guys what comes included. Alright guys, and we're back. So again today we have an A&A Quik water leveler, and we're going to kind of dive into the box here and show you guys what comes included when you do purchase this. They do offer a variety of these Quik water levelers. So for today's video, we actually do have the traditional water leveler with a tan lid. You can actually get them with or without the protective foam that comes inside, which I believe this one has it. So when we dive in, we'll show you guys what that foam looks like. And then you can get them in a variety of lid colors. They've got white. Obviously this one's tan. They have gray, light gray. They have some that come with floats, some that don't come with floats. So just make sure that you guys are reading those descriptions before you guys actually purchase these direct, because you do want to make sure that you get everything included. Most of the time they make all those simpler versions for your contractors out there. So then that way when they're just going in and installing stuff and plumbing it into the actual pool, they don't have to worry about where did I put my lid, what did I do that. That's all dealt with down the line when you guys are actually ready to fully start up and close down once the decking's in, all the above, that way you guys can choose your color based off of that. So, but again, for today, this is a tan one. So if you guys are doing a chip out and you guys are trying to replace it, this one will already come with the actual ring and the lid. So let's crack this open and show you guys what comes included. Handy dandy box cut. All right. Just going to turn it upside down here and dump it out for you guys. So if you guys are familiar with our other videos that we've had where you actually repair these when they're actually existing, this will look really familiar. Obviously you guys can see that this does not have a giant side missing like our demo model does. So this is a full complete unit straight from A&A manufacturing. Let me go ahead and try to wiggle off the actual ring and the lid. Because they're all wrapped in plastic, everything kind of sits on there pretty tight. So this is the full actual deck ring as well as the lid. If you bought one with a deck ring with no lid, you guys, again, all that stuff is really swappable, which I really like. It's all the same body. So it just comes down to, this is the part that's actually going to be installed into the gunite of the pool. So this is not seen, and typically all you're going to be paying attention to is just this lid and deck ring. So if you're going to get fancy and you're going to actually do your pavers as your lid or so on and so forth, obviously you don't need this, so purchasing the one without it's going to be your best bet. This one actually does not have the protective foam in it. All that is it's just a big chunk of foam, very similar to what A&A uses in all of their in-floor collars. It's just meant to put in here. It treats it as a safety thing for shipping to any of our customers, as well as using that during the construction phase to make sure that any debris or spray does not get into the water leveler and get inside where you're gonna be operating at the most. So it is nice to have that. If you guys don't have that, you guys can try to use the lid and the cap, some form of that. But I do suggest that if you're using this at a new construction phase, this is going to go in much sooner than all the rest of your equipment, as it does need to get installed in with the gunite. So I would suggest getting one with the protective, so then that way everything inside here is nice and safe and you don't have to worry about trying to clean this out. So again, this one does not come with it, but it does come with the float. So you already got their A&A manufacturing float. Again, if you guys have seen our other video where we show you guys how to repair these, we actually have another video on how to install these, adjust these using the restrictor disc, and how to, untwist it and set it. So they do give you that water leveler, which is really nice. If you guys are interested in just the water leveler part, you're looking at 529342. Again, we have that in the link in the description below for you guys. So, and then they, of course, give you the actual plumbing elbow, which is actually going to come out from the bottom here. So depending on the size or type of PVC that you guys actually have running to the water leveler, they do give you the elbow based off of how much room you guys left there. So then that way you guys can run the pipe straight up to it and then feed it into the bottom of the water leveler. So they do give you everything that you pretty much need from the construction standpoint. Like I said, you're typically looking at what you guys actually want from a cosmetic side on whether or not you guys want one with a leveler to start. You want the leveler later? Do you want one with a lid? Do you not? Obviously, if you're looking at construction, do you want one with foam, without foam? So, but if you do purchase this one, which again, this is the tan complete with a float, does not have the Protecta. We'll link it in the description below for you guys so you can check out all the different styles. So this is what you'll actually receive in that box. Again, if you guys accidentally purchased the wrong color and you guys are looking to do exchanges on the lids and the rings, just let us know. We're happy to get you guys taken care of. So again, I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. We've got a ton more what's in the box, quick fixes, all the above coming your guys' way. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.